am back today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my rose bloom oil for your face. These are all the ingredients that I am going to be using. All the links will be down in the bottom bar for you guys to go and check out. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with this measuring cup. Honestly, you do not need a measuring cup. I'm being very honest. I'm just using it because this is what I want to mix it in. So if you don't want to use it, you do not have to use it. So you can mix it with whatever it is that you want to mix it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start off with my oils and putting them in here. First, I'm going to start off with the sweet almond oil. Now, sweet almond oil, it reduces puffiness and under eye circles and it improves acne. I'm just going to go ahead and use 1 cup of sweet almond oil. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and use apricot oil. The apricot oil prevents blackheads, protects from dehydration, and just moisturizes the skin. I'm going to be using 1/2 cup of that. Alright guys, now I am going to go ahead and use this rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil brightens the skin, treats wrinkles, reduces fine lines, moisturizes the skin as well. I'm going to use 1/4 cups of that and pour it into the mixture. Alright you guys, for our last and final oil, we're going to be using tea tree oil, and we're going to use 1/8 cup of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is great because it treats acne and is an anti-inflammatory property, and it leaves the skin smooth and clear. So this is the last oil that I'm going to mix with the oil mixture. All I'm going to do is get this stick here and just mix all the oils together and make sure that they are just all mixed properly, and I will be back, you guys. What I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and get these rose petals. They are dried rose petals, and I am going to go ahead and fill the jars with the rose petals. All of these things I got from Amazon, and the links will be down in the bottom. I'm going to just take that oil that you see there afterwards and put it in there with the rose petals, but for right now I'm going to fill the jars with the rose petals as much as I would like it to be, and I will be back. I am so sorry you guys, my camera cut off while I was filming. So basically what I'm doing is I am filling the jars with the oil. You guys can see how much of the rose petals I put in there, and that's the jar there. So I'll be back, you guys, with the finished results. You guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and check out my website, shanikastouchofbeauty.com. I love y'all. Bye.